Hi everyone, my name is Adrian Aymuin. On this blog, I'll be sharing 3 uncommon Filipino words that I've discovered along with their meanings and example. Kabtol and definition. Substitute. Example, siya ang kabtol o original na artista. In English, he is the substitute for the original actor. Kambini. Definition use. Example, siya ang nakambini ng aming samahan. In English, she is the muse of our organization. Himaton. In definition, clue or hint. Example, may himaton na natagpuan ang mga pulis sa pinangyarihan ng krimen. In English, the police found a clue at the crime scene.